I don't have the energy because yeah, my afro is giving me. Ivan, Ivan, Ivan. Cheza. Ivan. Lily is giving us problems. Lily, 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 Lily. Say hello. Say hi. No, Sadza. Go say me. You're literally crying just moments ago. Like my hair. This person is giving me problems. Ngolami. Ay, bon songo dazana mare. Nchidzi. Songo tamango dazana mare we. Inembera nzvendo zvavhuti. Ndakori ndandambe naroro. Yeah, but she's so what the the way my son loves himself, like you'll be talking to him and he'll literally ask you, me? You talking to me? That's like a bit unfair, I think. Like Christmas. I feel like Christmas for me has always been basic, you know. Basic, like nothing special, you know. It was very basic. Okay. But overall, it was fine. I spent it with Lily and Emmanuel, my kids. So it was just the three of us. Yeah. And I think that was like the only thing that really mattered to me. You know, I want to create my own little special tradition with my kids. Yeah. I think I want to enforce to them that even as they grow up or when they grow up, they know that Christmas, we spend it together. Me and themselves. Like I want that, you know. I didn't grow up with that, and I wanted tradition that doesn't really necessarily involve others. I I want a tradition that doesn't involve others. Yeah, I know other people like it to have everybody, the extended family members and stuff like that. My mother's side of the family was doing that, so pretty much everybody in the family was there at the family gathering, having thank you, having the time of their life. I just didn't feel like it. You know, I just wanted something intimate, something private, something that is mine, something that I would say it with the people that I don't have to pretend. I hate pretending. I knew with my kids we'll be genuinely happy. We were watching movies and we were oh I manengendo hi we're genuinely happy, you know. My son was watching that Predator in Badlands. He loved it. And I was busy with the baby. We were playing and stuff. You know, our Christmas was just normal like that. It was nothing special. Yeah. And it was Lily's first Christmas. So I feel like it was special like that. And Emmanuel's third Christmas. It was amazing, honestly. Even thinking about it, I would have spent it any other way. There was no drama whatsoever. It was just food, fun. And for once, Emmanuel was behaving. Emmanuel does not behave, but he was behaving. Like, he was behaving for once. Um, yeah, I'm looking forward to a new year. I don't know how it's gonna be like, but I am definitely looking forward to it. Jesus, why is this person doing like this? You got Santa. You can never catch Santa, even if is Santa even real? You know, I didn't grow up in a family where we believed in this thing. We didn't. We didn't believe. I think the only thing that I grew up believing in as something that belonged to us as South African or village people was that during Christmas, ne, you have to make sure that you have new clothes as a child. Like, it was a thing. It was a thing. I think it's still a thing. Like, if you don't have new clothes during Christmas time, you know, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to call you, but it was bad. But I've grown out of it. Yeah, I've grown out of it. Now I think I got to understand as an adult now that, there are other things that are really important. You know, it's all about memories. The other day I was trying to sum up memories, like all the Christmas that I've had throughout the years, and I couldn't find any special moment. But this year, I think I could pinpoint a few. I could. It was Lily's first birthday. Um, it was great. Oh, it was amazing. For New Year, I don't know. 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 Maybe I'll think of something. Chinika, why? My sister is not doing my hair, and there is an occasion that is happening today. I'm not a fan of cookies. We didn't bake anything, and I'm not a fan of cookies. I'm not a fan of sugar, to be precise. I don't like sugar. So my sister hit Lily, and the Lily was like, "Sorry, te, te, Chunika, that's a baby, man. Sorry, my love. Sorry. Mm, mm, Kishi. Mm. Te, te, hit her, Lily, te, mre, mreni." Can you believe that next month Lily's going to be one? Like a whole baby girl. This girl is going to be. Te, te. Mm, mm. How did you feel about your first Christmas, Lily? Did you enjoy yourself as much as mommy did? Because I did. You got a bed. Did you like catch it to keep it as a pet, or oh, my sister's son did that. I think it was around November. Unfortunately, that bed it died. I was pissed off. I don't want to lie. I was pissed off. Get done. Get done. Now Lily, even Lily she wants to appear. Good girl. Lily, can you really have peace with kids? I don't know what's happening with my head. so I'm just gonna accept it. No, I'm being threatened. So I'm being told that if I'm complaining too much, my sister is gonna stop doing my hair. Like, inendo risemisa inenga jinika. But whatever you're over, you wanted to go down, and you're down. Okay, gum. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. I'm trying to show that. Kumbe. Kumbe. Thank you. Oh, she's learning so much, guys. She is. I have to pretend to be okay, but this is one of the reasons why I went on this live, because I have to pretend to be fine and to be okay, but deep down, thank you. They feel out of window. Yeah, one empty, I think. Amba.
Dosiandi nduni izvo.
Ini shura ngana.
Ndiko ngala atuanya. Ngala tuwa.
Ana mboya. It was a big thing, Shem. But it was like drama. Family gathering drama. You guys like confusing, eh? Yeah, but I'm almost done. She's almost done. Eh? You know, I don't even know types of vlogs. I remember that I did a module at university, and in geology, the module was geology, and there was a part where we were doing rocks. I don't even remember. How does it look, this stone that you have? Because I don't know mine. In terms of stones, Shem, I don't know. I don't know, Shem. I'm afraid I don't. Eh, hapa no nyima, Shem. My girl, no nyima. Shem. You, none of them could you. Oh, okay. Is it like, can't you sell it?